everyone, welcome to Make It Monday, where we embrace imperfection and try new things. My name is Leslie and I am the Reading Machine Coordinator for Monterey County Free Libraries. Today, because it is such a colorful time of year with it being Pride Month and it being, the end of spring, I thought we would make a rainbow with a cloud. And in order to do that, we will need a few things. First, you will need a piece of white paper. This is going to be for your cloud. And you will need colored paper. Okay, I've got all the colors of the rainbow here. Oops. And if you don't have colored paper, no worries. All you have to do is use a piece of white paper and color it with a marker or crayons. You will need a straight edge of some sort. I am missing my ruler right now, so I'm going to use this as a straight edge. It's whatever works, right? You will need a pencil and maybe a pen. You will need some glue and you will need some scissors. So go gather those materials and let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is use our straight edge to draw some lines on these. We're going to make strips, okay? And they're going to be perfectly straight. We're not going to do a curved rainbow. We're going to do something else. So we will do this. I'm going to use my straight edge as a ruler, and then I'm going to use it to draw a line down the purple. And then I'm going to do that for every color thereafter. Now I have lines drawn on all of my pieces of paper, and now I'm going to cut them out. And to kind of make it a shortcut, I'm going to stack the pieces of paper like this, and I'm going to cut them all out at the same time. So I'll just have 6 strips once I'm done. Now you don't have to do it this way. You can cut them one at a time. I'm just doing a shortcut. So see, I cut those, and now I have my strips. Okay, now that we have our strips cut out, let's draw a cloud on our paper. And this does not have to be perfect. I'm going to make mine pretty small since my strips are so thin. And I'm just going to do, puff, puff. There's my cloud. Very imperfect. So I'm going to cut it out now. I've got my tiny baby cloud here now. And I'm just going to draw a cute little face on it. And you can make yours as complicated as you want to be, but I'm going to leave mine simple. And from here, I'm going to start arranging my strips on the back. So, and I'm going to do a little overlap too. This. I'm just going to arrange them and then I'll glue them once I'm happy with the arrangement. Looks like. Got it all arranged. Now I'm going to glue it. Take my glue. Make a little strip down here along the edge of the cloud. And then I'm gonna do my red. Let that dry. We're gonna let that dry pretty good. All right, here is my finished product. This is my really happy rainbow that makes me feel so good. It's perfect for the end of spring, summer, Pride Month, just in general to give yourself a happy feeling. I'm really looking forward to hanging this on my wall. And remember that you can change this up a little bit. You can make your strips thinner. You can make your cloud bigger. You don't have to make them overlap. You can all just put them like flush against each other. There's so many different ways of doing this project, and this is just one of them. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me for this week's Make It Monday. I hope you have a beautiful week. I hope that you see some rainbows in your life, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.